Hi guys, Sandy from So Easy by Sandy here, and today we are finishing our Christmas sample quilt. Now for those of you who don't know about it, I did Vlogmas this year, and each day I would pick a quilt block, learn how to make it, and make it with you guys. And on the 24th I made this lovely quilt top, and you can watch all those videos in my Vlogmas 2022 playlist right here. So today we are basting it, quilting it, and binding it. And this is for a baby quilt, so it's about 30 by 44 inches. Now, if you'd like to make a bigger quilt, all you need to do is make more blocks, 2 or 3 instead of just one of each design, and your quilt will grow, of course. Now, I am loving this end result. It's colorful, Christmassy, and ready to get done. Now, today I will not be getting into many details about free motion quilting or basting this quilt, but I have done some thorough videos about it in the past. You can watch them here and here after this video is done. Okay, let's get started, shall we? Now the first step is making the quilt sandwich, and that's where we combine the top of a quilt, the batting, and the bag fabric. And for this bag, I am keeping this as simple as possible with a nice, crisp, clean white fabric. The idea here is to balance all the color from the top, and I'm using temporary adhesive and pins to keep my 3 layers in place. Okay, we're ready to quilt. My absolute favorite part. Free motion quilting is fun and relaxing when things go right, of course, because when they don't, it is a pain in the you-know-what. But this one is actually coming along real nicely, so I'm enjoying it. We're done with the quilting. Time for the binding. And again, if you want to know the process in detail, watch this video after this one is complete. I'm picking a colorful binding with some of the same fabrics I've used for the quilt. And I am sewing this by hand, which I also love doing. Here we go. And that is it, our quilt is done. It is beautiful as promised and filled with lovely memories of doing my first ever Vlogmas with you guys. Thank you for doing this with me, and I will see you soon. Bye bye!